there's breaking news coming in at this hour. Now, this is with regards to Sonia Gandhi. Remember that Sonia Gandhi has written on Delhi pollution. Important information we're tracking at this hour, as Sonia Gandhi has in fact gone on to say that pollution is a crisis over the last decade. She's further gone on to say and hit out at the BJP-led government, saying that the Modi government displays cynicism on pollution. Important information we're tracking at this hour, as Sonia Gandhi of the Congress has in fact hit out and said that the Environment Ministry has in fact weakened the regulations. Remember that this is in context of air pollution. The Congress has hit out at the BJP with regards to air pollution, saying that pollution is a real crisis over the past decade and that the government is displaying cynicism on pollution. She's further gone on to hit out at the Environment Ministry, saying that the Environment Ministry has weakened regulations. Crucial information we're tracking at this hour, as Sonia Gandhi has been the latest to attack the government with regards to air pollution. Remember that her son and LOP Rahul Gandhi also had previously spoken about air pollution and had even demanded that the parliament discuss on it. In the latest that we're getting, Sonia Gandhi has hit out at the BJP-led government, saying that the government has in fact weakened the regulations when it comes to environment. On this, we have my colleague Aishwarya joining us on the broadcast. Aishwarya, walk us through the details. We know that air pollution has been a point of contention between political parties. Several political parties in the past couple of days have hit out at the ruling dispensation. What is it that you're getting on this at this hour?
Well, that's right. In the winter session of Parliament, we have seen several Congress MPs giving adjournment notices regarding the air pollution issue. It is Ranjit Ranjan yesterday who also submitted an adjournment motion. It is Priyanka Gandhi Vadra who is speaking about air pollution, hitting out at the BJP government and asking government to discuss air pollution. And in the all-party meeting as well, we have seen that how air pollution was one of the key issues that Congress party specifically raised that needs to be discussed in the winter session of Parliament. Certainly, it is Sonia Gandhi which has written a hard-hitting article on Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Modi government, what they did in last 10 years. Certainly, Sonia Gandhi stated here that in the last 10 years, the environment is a serious problem for the country and it has drastically deteriorated. Certainly, there are three important points that Sonia Gandhi mentioned about Aravalli Hills, the hills region in Rajasthan, Gujarat and Haryana. Particularly, the Modi government have stated amending the new laws that the hills that are 100 meters below, they do not take them into consideration, and that is harming dangerously contaminated water in Delhi. Haryana is unsafe for the people of this country, of this particular region, and also the kind of haze and smog that India sees in and particularly Delhi NCR witness in every November, December month of time. It is very, very dangerous. So certainly amending the laws, there needs to be a new policy in place is something that Sonia Gandhi has mentioned, attacking the government over here on the issue of air pollution.